With our adjustments complete, we can revisit a concept that we touched on earlier, known as adjustment presets. We've applied a number of basic adjustments to this image. Now, say for example, we wanted to save these adjustments and apply them exactly the same way to another image, or multiple images. To do so, we can save this adjustment as a preset by clicking on the plus sign next to the presets heading. So just look on your presets panel over here and click on the plus sign. Okay, we'll call this adjustment 1. And you can save it in the default folder, user presets, that's fine. Leave the auto tone checkbox unchecked. And under the settings heading, we can decide exactly which adjustments we want to store as part of this preset. Since we've only made adjustments under the basics panel, we can click check none and then place a check mark in basic tone. And that'll cover all the basic adjustments that we've made. Now we did make one adjustment to clarity, so I'll go ahead and check that. And it doesn't hurt to check the color one either, just in case any of the adjustments we made do fall under that category. We definitely didn't use any of the others, so I should be good in that sense. Now go ahead and press the create button. And you'll see that this preset is now available under the user presets heading. So we've worked with a lot of the ones that came with Lightroom, and now we've created our own. Okay, now click on any other image. I'll just go ahead and click on this one. It's a landscape shot. Hover your mouse over the preset you just created and you can see the preview of what's going to happen once we click on it. So go ahead and click on it. And you'll see the exact same adjustments we just applied to the previous image have now been applied to this one. Look at the basic adjustments panel and take a look here. You can see they're identical.